Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Excel video tutorial. Today in this video, I am with you DM Media Abid, and today is episode 1 of Excel video tutorial. In this episode, we are going to learn about Excel interface, what is ribbon, what is quick access toolbar and how you can customize it, how to open a new document, how you will save the document and how to open existing document. So let's get started. First, we need a software that is called Microsoft Office. In this computer, I have installed Microsoft Office 2016. That means I'm going to use Excel 2016. But it will be not a big problem. If you learn Microsoft Excel 2016, you can as well as do work in 2007, 10, 13, as well as the all update version. So when you first open the Excel, you will see like this interface, this window. And if you are licensed user of Microsoft Office, then it will not show this pop-up window. But if you are not registered, then it will show this window. So when you will open, you will see like this window, and in the left side, you can see the recent Excel documents, which I have worked today or the earlier this week. In the last week, I have worked at these two documents and previous then these documents. And the recent section, I can see today I have worked on this episode 1 document. And if I want, I can pin this document. Whenever I will open this document, every time I will show this document. But if I unpin again, then it will be changed, which will be my latest or recent documents that will be shown in this recent task. Okay, so if you have internet connection, you can search a bunch of templates in online. These are the templates, or you can say catalogs. So but I will recommend that start with the scratch, that means a blank workbook. So if you click the blank workbook, you will see like this window where you will see a lot of cells. There is uncountable cells here, and every cell has a number. These are the columns and these are the rows. So if I select here in this cell, that means I have selected E column and 5th rows. You can see right here E5. If I select here, you can see I have selected the O column and 9th row. So our first topic was what is ribbon. What you can see here up above, these are the ribbons, and in this ribbon you can see a lot of tabs. Actually, these are the tabs: insert tabs, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. These are the tabs. But if you don't like to have them, you can then minimize it by just clicking here, that up above icon, the ribbon display options. If you click here, it will show auto hide ribbon, show tabs and command. Let's see what happens if I click auto hide ribbon. If I click auto hide ribbon, you can see there is no ribbon in the above. But if I click there, you will see it again, and if you need any comments, then you can again select here. But I will recommend that as you are a beginner, that you should always show tabs and comments, so that it will be very useful for you to work in Excel. You can also show just tabs. If you click just tabs, it will show just the tabs of the comments. Okay. These are the comments. Actually, you can see there's a lot of comments in every tab. Our second task was to customize what is quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. You can also customize it if you want. You can have something like start ascending order, and you can have it like here. Or if you don't want this, then you can just click again the short ascending. Or if you don't want this quick print, you just have to click it again, then it will be vanish from the quick access toolbar. Okay, this is how you can customize quick access toolbar. And Our next task is how we can open a document, but we already open a Excel workbook document. Okay, what we need to do, and now we first, after opening a Excel document, we need to save it first. So let's go to save. You can see right here there is a button that is called save, but you can also save the file by clicking the file option, and there is save option. And if you click save, they will show you OneDrive. If you have internet connection, you can save it to OneDrive, and if you save it to OneDrive, you can access it anywhere you want. You can access it for your mobile, or if you travel so long that you don't have any computer right now, but you can use your cousins or others or in cyber cafes, then you can also access your document. So if you always wants your document, if your document is very much important, then you should save it to OneDrive. And in the next tab, you can see that this PC, and you can see there's a lot of folders, but I will recommend for you to save the first time in desktop, or if as your wish, you can save it in other drive also. But I'm going to save it in desktop by creating a folder. Let's create a folder here, Excel 2. Let's say our folder name is Excel 2, and our file name is episode 1. Okay, fine. Let's select and save it. Okay, we save it episode 1. Okay, and if you write something in any cell, you can see that this will be the value of this cell, I9. That means this has value, and this is the value. And you can customize this column as well. When you will see the plus icon, then you can authorize to customize it. You can make it bigger in white, or you can make it small as well. Let's say we create a document as say serial number, which have serial number and name. And as we know, the name section should be bigger, because many of us has a bigger name. That's why we need to customize it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to make it bigger, so that the name could be adjusted here. So this is the one way. And as we already saved this document, so that's why I will save it again, so we don't lost our recent data. So that's why we have I already saved it again. Let's cross it, and let's find out our last topic of this video. Our last topic of this video was how to open an existing document. That means we already created a document. Now I want to open it again. So how I'm going to open it? I'm going to click on my folder that I have saved my document, Excel 2. Okay, here I can see that document which I already created just a few minutes earlier. Let's click it again, and let's open the document. Or if you don't want to open this document right this way, you can also go to the file option, and you can go to open. And if you click open, you will see the recent tasks that you have already worked on. But if you don't want to open from here, or if your document is not right here, then you have to go to the browse or this PC. I'm going to browse that where is my document. I have saved it in desktop. The name of my folder is Excel 2, and the file name of my document is episode 1. So I'm going to click it, and this is it. And if I want to delete it, I just need to press the cell and delete button. This is how this is going to happen. So I think the all part I have shown you in this video. So we will again come up with a new task and new contents in the second video. So till then, bye, ta-ta, take care.